Hello guys, how you guys doing today? Thank you for joining me again for another video. So you can see my face is half done. I'm going to be doing my eye look on this clip. Yes, that is why I'm here. Today I'm going to be reviewing the new Huda Beauty creamy palette. This is how the PRO package came. Look at that cute bag. Let me show you the product. This is the new Huda Beauty creamy palette. It comes in 2 shades. I'm going to be leaving their name on the video. This is how it looks. So cute. I'm just going to use one of the palettes on this tutorial. I'm drawn to this one. This is not going to be complicated for me. It looks, and I just love the shades on this palette. I'm going to protect my under eyes. Let's protect it because I don't want any fallout on this makeup I've already applied. Let's respect ourselves. Now I'm going to prime my lid. Yes, I'm going to prime. Let me not just play with you guys, to be frank. Cream product on my lid creases, so I don't know. I'm going to do the same step I would do when I apply any eyeshadow. First, let me do my brows before we start. Okay, I've done my brows. I'm going to start with the eye look. I'm going to use an eyeshadow primer. Like I said, even though I'm applying cream powder product, I have to apply a primer on my lid. My lid always creases. Like I have a hooded lid and it creases. I just blend this out with a brush, or you can pat this down with your finger. I'm going to start with the shade. The cream base eyeshadow, guys. Huda has gone into creative mode. She went into a creative mode. What is this? And it's blending really well. It's so creamy, hence the name. Oh my god, like, you don't know how I'm explaining it, how I feel. When you have this palette, you understand how I feel. Like, it's so soft. Take this dark shade. A little bit of this goes a long way. I'm just tapping the brush. I'll apply this on the outer corner of the eyes. Like, I'm not an eyeshadow guru, so I always say it's better try. Oh, this seems like a powder shade. They are not all cream. This one, just the formula is so soft. I'm not like, it's so soft. There's a fallout on that shade, but it's fine. I have powder underneath my eyes, so I'm not scared of that. Here, this one, or this one. I don't know, I'll use my finger. Touching it, it's bouncing. Wow. Like, it's been a while I've been excited about eyeshadow palette. I'm not going to lie. Let me try it with the brush. Even with the brush, it's picking up the product. Just go back with the crease shade I used, and I'll use that to blend out everything. Take the shade right here. So now I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Lifeline. I'm going to apply the Huda Beauty Long Wear Eyeliner. I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty Lashes Mascara. Blend this with the lashes. For lipstick, I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Lip Liner. Huda Beauty lipstick. I'm going to use a lip topper. All this from Huda Beauty. this just brings the look together. This is the final look. The eye look is looking really pretty. I love it. This palette is really nice. I'm going to recommend this palette. Like, it's been a while. I'm so excited about eyeshadow palette. But I was like, all cream, Huda Beauty. How do I use a cream eyeshadow palette on my eyes that creases a lot? But using a primer helps. And this palette, it is nice. I'm going to be using this often. I just love the fact that the formula works. It is very soft, pigmented, and blends really well. For a cream product to blend that well, I am sold on this. I am sold on this. This is nice. She needs to come out with more shades, like maybe color shades in the summer. Anyway, I'm just going to drop this palette now, go to church, like I'm running late. This gets a yes from me. Thank you, Huda, for sending this. This is a lovely product. All the best in the launch. This is a yes from me. Get to subscribe if you are not a subscriber. Please, let's grow this family. I'm back now. If you miss me, I miss you too. God bless you all. And if you have any question about the product I use, if you want me to do a detailed foundation routine, tell me at the comment section. Leave me a comment at the comment section. Let me know what products that you want to see next. I need suggestion, guys. What do you want to see? I want to bring out videos that you want to see. And if you have any questions, let me know at the comment section. Like I said, thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you guys on my next one. Remember what I always say: be yourself, be true to yourself, love yourself, do you always, and remain blessed. Bye, guys.